Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and fast and free shipping. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look inside. And like I said, you guys can get one now. Get this shipped to you. Oh boy. Here we go. Let's lock and roll. It's kind of heavy. What is this? Oh man. Alright, got rid of this. Coming from, I think it's LIMINK. That might be an L. LIMINK. Alright, let's see what's inside this bag. Oh boy. Holy smoke. This is something a lot of people are going to need this year. Once the weather gets better. Or you can still use these now. Nice little carrying case. Oh boy. This ain't a body bag. Yeah, it's something here. What is this? I think this thing's huge. I'm gonna have to put it on the ground. Alright guys, here it is. This is called Installation and Cargo. Some kind of cargo. Just never had one of these before. Hand bunch. That's what it is. It's huge. Like I say, you can fit a lot of stuff. Just put this on your car. They got a rubber mat so it won't slip. Slip guard right here. You can put that on your roof of the car so this bag won't slip. Once you fill it up, it should get a form of it. Got that. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, once you unzip it more, this is what it looks like. Like I said, you could fit a lot of stuff in here. Like hockey equipment, stuff when you go on vacation with, sleeping bags and whatnot. But it is pretty big. That is for sure. My car's in the shop right now, so I'm going to go and fold it out. Got Velcro right here. Right there. Velcro. Definitely nice. Weatherproof. And then zip it all up. And you're good to go. And you get the straps in this bag. That little LIMINK. So definitely check these guys out. YouTubers. Link will be down below. Get these now. They are selling quick. Once summer travel opens more back up. So get your stuff ready now. Almost the end of winter, thank God. So definitely click the link down below. And that's about it. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.